Hi, it's Miss Shalone, and I'm here for another recorder video. Today we're going to be learning the song Naughty Kitty Cat. Naughty Kitty Cat is a singing game that I usually teach in kindergarten and sometimes first grade, and it's a real hit with the kids. So first I'm just going to play it for you, okay? Okay, so the notes you're going to be using are low D, low E, F sharp, which is this one here on the bottom, G, A, and B. So it starts on A. A, B, A. Simple enough. A, B, A. I think you do it 3 times. Nope, the third time is a little different. So you do it 2 times. A, B, A. A, B, A. That's the naughty kitty cat. You are very fat. Okay? Then A, B, no break. You've got butter on your whiskers. A, B. And then the end. A, G, F sharp, E, D. That's the hardest part. So let's do the ending. A, G, F sharp, E, D. A, G, F sharp, E, D. A, G, F sharp, E, D. Let's do that a few times together. Ready? Here we go. So, the whole thing together. Ready? Here we go. Do it again. All right. So, naughty kitty cat, you are very fat. You have butter on your whiskers, naughty kitty cat. Scat. We just speak the last one. Again, that is A, B, A. A, B, A. A, G, F sharp, E, D. All right, so now you've got a new song. Good luck. Happy practicing.